Howdy guys, in today's video in FabriCAM we're going to be looking at our collusions for our imported art parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we'll head back into FabriCAM here. So now in the previous video we looked at importing art parts and also adjusting a few parameters so we can have a lower quality art. But now today we're going to be looking at how to actually sort out some of these collusions. So now if I go into CAM, the CAM feature, I'm going to click this, just wait for it to load. And then once it's done loading, we can see here in the bottom left we have three different things that it tells us. So we've got lines, which is blue, we've got arcs, which is white, and then we've got collusion, which is yellow. So now, in other words, if we see any yellow here, that means it is busy having a problem or a collusion problem with something else. So you definitely want to address these before you try cutting it. So just with a quick glance here, I can see here's one collusion here, and then here's another collusion here at the bottom. Now the thing about collusions, it's quite important to mark where the entry and exits are of them. So let's zoom this first one and we try to find the entry and exit. Here we go, and now we can kind of see what's the problem here. So the entry and exit, or at least I think this is the exit, I'm sure it's heading over here on the edge. So basically then what you want to do is just to add a new entry and exit. So if I zoom over here, you can see we've got move entry exits. So there's this little icon. So I'm going to click this and maybe move it to this corner. Just keep in mind it is important which side it is. At the moment it is on the inside, so don't now go to make it on the outside, otherwise you're going to have some cutouts on your actual art piece. So now what I'm going to do is I'm not sure what I did there, but let's try that again. So I'm going to click move entry and exit, and then move it here to this corner, click there, and now you can see the whole thing went blue and our entries and exits are fine. Then what I want to do is navigate to the next one, because see where's the problem. So as you can see, it's running over the actual edge. So I'm thinking if we put it somewhere on this edge or this edge, we might come right. Make sure we do it on the inside. There we go. So now that's blue. So as you can see also at the bottom here by our updated area, there is no more yellow block there. So now we know we have no more problem collusions, and this thing is closer to ready for actual cutting. But yeah, otherwise that is it on collusions. It's a very important one to understand and be able to work, otherwise you're going to run into problems later on. So now you can easily refine it, problem solve it, and then before you get to the cutting process. But yeah, otherwise that is it on collusions. In the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.